In this video, I'm going to be showing you a Eventbrite tutorial. So Eventbrite is one of the most popular platforms for creating, promoting, and managing events, whether they are in person or virtual. So it's designed to help you organize everything from small workshops to large conferences, allowing you to manage ticket sales, RSVPs, and promotions all in one place. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up an Eventbrite account and create your first event. So let's get started. So first you want to go to eventbrite.com. Now from here, you want to click on login if you already have an account or sign up if you're just creating an account. So I'm just going to click on sign up. Now from here, I'm just going to continue as Google. So I'm just going to use another Google account. So now click on agree. And now it's either you want to find an experience or organize an event. So we're just going to select organize an event. And from here, let's get to know you first. So you need to tell them what kind of events you want to host, and we'll make it happen. So you will have to choose from here. You can also click here on more options. So in my case, I'm just going to select parties. Now, how many events do you plan to organize in the next year? I'm just going to select 2 to 5 events. So you can also select if your events are part of a recurring series. So I'm just going to leave that blank. So on average, how big are your events? So you need to select the number of people. So from here, I'm just going to select up to 25 people. Now, what matters most to you? Something budget friendly and easy to use to reach more people and keep them coming back, or more customer support and tools for professional event organizers. So I'm just going to select something budget friendly and easy to use and click continue. So now they are creating our account. So now, do you want to create your first event or explore the homepage first? So now we're just going to explore the homepage first. So now this is how the homepage of Eventbrite will look like. So in your homepage, you can simply create an event or create your event faster with AI. You can also sell more tickets with public promo codes. So just click here and try it now. Now you can create you have your own checklist right here to set up your account, such as creating your first event, set up your organizer profile, and add your bank account. There are also top resources for you. So these are just articles like this, like 10 best ways to market and sell out your event. You can also level up your skills at Eventbrite Academy. So they have courses right here too. You can also see Community Spotlight and Help Center. Now in the left-hand side, you will see events. So let's click on events right here. So from here, you'll see all of the events that you have, upcoming events, the done events. Next, let's go to orders. So from here, you'll see and manage all your orders, including editing your buying info, resending tickets, and processing refunds. And you can download a list of orders. So just click here on orders report. Now let's go to marketing. So from here, you can create promotions, can create email campaigns, can create social media posts, you can go to paid social ads, you can see your Instagram growth. So of course, you need to connect your social media accounts here first. So this is what the marketing tools look like. We also have the reporting section right over here. Here you will see all your reports will be available after you sell some tickets. And finance, of course, right here you can add your bank accounts. So let's just wait for it to load. As you can see, you'll see your payouts right here, your charges and credits, your invoices, and your settings. So of course, you don't have that yet. And next is your organization settings. From here, you will see your organization settings. So now let's move on and create our first event. Just go back to the dashboard. As you can see right here, you can start from scratch. So let's click on create event. From here, this is all of the steps to create an event. So first you need to build your event page. As you can see, this is the template. So you can simply upload your photos right here or videos. So just drag and drop an image. So after doing that, you can just simply add the event title. So let's say my birthday. And you can add the summary right here. Just say test summary. Or of course, they have the AI. So as you can see, they can suggest a summary, but it's not in English. So we can just simply change then the settings. So now we have the date and location. So you can select whether it's a single event or recurring event. You can also set the date and time. You can set the location. So just type in the location right here. So if it's an online event, you can simply select online event right here or to be announced. Next is the overview. So you can use this section to provide more details about your event. So you can include things to know, venue information, accessibility options, anything that will help people what to expect. You also have this good to know right here, like highlights. You can add age info, you can add door time, and you can add the frequently asked questions. And of course, you can also add more sections to your event page right here by clicking add. So this is the agenda. So when you're done, you can simply just click on save and continue. So after saving and continue, you can now add tickets and simply publish your event. So if you want, you can simply go back and we can create an event using AI. So as you can see right here, let's create with AI. So you just need the event title, the start and end time of the event, where it's located, the price, capacity of your event. Simply create the event and AI will create it for you. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.